and welcome to another macrocosm video. Over 2.5 million light-years from Earth, in the vicinity of the Andromeda Galaxy, a multinational team of scientists discovered a dwarf galaxy. A very observant amateur astronomer observed Pegasus V, an extremely faint dwarf galaxy, while studying information in a picture from the DZ Legacy imaging surveys. With observations from the Gemini North Telescope in Hawaii, he discovered a smudge that was ultimately determined to be a super-faint dwarf galaxy. Gemini Scans revealed that Pegasus V appears to have a relatively low concentration of the heavy chemical components that are typically found in dwarf galaxies. The galaxy is thought to be exceedingly old and likely to be a fossil of the very earliest galaxies in the universe as a result, according to researchers. Very faint galaxies are cosmic fossils of very old galaxies because they hold information about the birth of the first stars in the universe. As predicted by the hypotheses, astronomers have not discovered as many of these fossils. They could have to reconsider what they believe to be true about cosmology and dark matter if there aren't as many of them. However, locating these really distant and faint galaxies is a very challenging process. The bright stars that astronomers use to locate them and gauge their distances are extremely scarce in them. This kind of galaxy can reveal whether our understanding of dark matter is accurate, as well as how galaxies originate. Amazing fact: Pegasus V is known by this name because it is the fifth dwarf galaxy found in the Pegasus constellation. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.